Thank you, God, for all you've done, and the grace that flows on. In the night and in the day, goodness and mercy leads my way. Years may come and years may go, but your love is all I know. Through the storms and gentle breeze.
Okay.
Thousands in your face, I'm a G, I'm the centerpiece. You can't settle me, I repeat. When my enemies tell them come and see, they retreat. I'm that water sign, sweep you off your feet. In these streets, I'm here all the time. How come we ain't meet? Got some thoughts up in my head, now I can't sleep cause they cut deep. I keep tossing in this bed cause I'm so bleak, I get cold feet. I get tired of people walking all on me like I'm some cleats. I get tired of people trying to rattle me, I need my peace. I get tossing in this bed.
Meanwhile,
Agoy, ang talim. Kano. Maganda kayo, mantalim dyan. Pinirito na kano. Uy,
Uy, wag na ka kasi kayo dyan. Dito na.
tapakan yung tanim dyan. Kano. Kung ayaw mo palitan.
Wag magtakbo-takbo lo kasi may mga kahoy nga maliliit look oh.
Kapit na mga dito dyan. Uy, tapakan yung tanim. Ay, sita ko mga bata na to.
Garmet! Tatay ka! Oo nga naman, wag mo nga naman hawakan bata. Bata, wag mo hawakan cellphone ni, ay, ano ba yun, nagka-boots stop. Kita niya is the lawless. What? Ha? Kita niya is the lawless. Diba? Oo. Ikaw nga naman si Ace Flores.
Welcome to the beautiful scenery here in
hindi totoo yan. Bola lang yan.
Mount, ano tawag ito? Mount Cabresa. Okay. Hoy, grabe ka.
Oh, ang ganda ng view, oh, guys.
Paano masabi?
Wow, it's a beautiful place.
Ito yung pinaghihirapan nila. If you're asking kung ano yung apakan namin, ang totoo niyang palay talaga nakatanim.
Wow, di ba ganda? Picture. Picture mo nga ako, Rose.
Picture ko.
Post mo muna video. Off mo muna.
The next day.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with mistake. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours. My love is forever yours.
Saan? Ito? Ayan, sige. Saan? Diyan? Ito, mukha.
Ay! Tuntik ka. Tuntik na.
Saan mo sindaan? Saan tayo dadaan? Turo mo. Turo mo kay Papa. Saan? Dito? O, sige. Tingnan mo. Saan? Diyan? Ah, sige.
Ba't parang lumayo ang tubig?
Dito rin yung balilandaan natin. Dito sa taas mo.
Wow!
Pababa na.
Meanwhile,
Ano pare? Hindi kaya o hindi. Kaya
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. All of the times I've been there, times I came through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know them other girls won't love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh.
Nakaagos ba? Nakaagos!
Kapit!
Ah, no! Laka, no!
Diyan. Dito ka.
Ayoko na, lakas nga ng alot eh! Aba! Anong alot? Ang alam dito!
Diba mag-isa ka doon o? Puerto. Para kayong manok ng aso yung manok. Bro, magugas ka.
Huwag ka doon!
Dami nila kay sikit mo.
Hoy namin! Away na! Kapakan! Hindi ka na tatakbuhin dyan! Hindi ko lang ako sabihin ito. Hoy, Jay! Pag mga patanggal, nakaganyan lang tayo na hindi na.
Emotional damage.
Ding, 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 ding!
The thing goes grrrr. Skitty keep pop pop. And the poop poop poop.
Ano kasi? Bala ka dyan, Jay! Ay, sugat. Ano ko? Video ko. Ayun o. Ha? Ito lang eh.
Meanwhile.
I don't know how.
Uy, lamig. May mga naligo din pala.
Gawin mo na! Kasi mahulog ang dalawa! Kano! Maganda kayo, matalim dyan! Pinirito na kano! Uy!
Uy, wag na ka kasi kayo dyan. Dito na.
Tapakan yung tanim dyan!
Huwag magtakbo-takbo lo kasi may mga kahoy nga maliliit look oh.
Kapit na mga dito dyan! Uy! Uy! Tapakan yung tanim! Ay, stak ko mga bata na to!
Garmet! Sasakay ka! Oo nga naman, wag mo nga naman hawakan bata. Bata, wag mo hawakan cellphone ni, ay, ano ba yun, may kabut stop. Kita niya yung Lolis. What? Ha? Kita niya yung Lolis. Diba? Oo. Ikaw nga naman si Islok Flores. Bata, ako na cellphone. Oo, lang agawa ng cellphone ha.
Yesterday. One hour later.